All right, if you're having a Ford factory remote starter system installed and you all of a sudden are having a problem where you push the remote start button and it's turning on the lights and everything, but it's not starting the truck or car. This could be in multiple different scenarios. This is on a 2010 Ford F-150. Essentially, I bought the truck. It said it had remote start, but the remote start wasn't working. Don't know why. I started looking into it. I found that the actual reason, believe it or not, is the fact that the previous owner had put LED lights in. So when you put LED lights in, there's a small current that constantly runs to them. And what it was sensing was that there was a current there. And when it senses the current, it says, hey, the truck's door must be open, so we're not going to start. That was the problem. I could have switched out those bulbs, but instead I went ahead and just pulled the wire. This one, it is a green wire with a purple line on it. And that wire there goes into this wiring harness, which is on the Ford Start. All that is that's the wire that says to check that light. So now what it means is that I can start the truck with the doors open if I wanted to. The doors do not have to be closed in order to do the remote start system. Still have to stick a key in order to drive away. Or you don't have to worry about nobody stealing your truck or anything like that. But that's my quick fix, how I fixed it. I just went ahead and pulled that wire out. I actually snipped it so that I could always reattach it if I wanted to in the back. But it is the green wire with purple on it. And now you can remote start the truck with the doors open. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.